Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save photos or videos on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. So in order to click a photo, you'll have to press in the white circle that is located in the lower middle part of your screen. Now let's take a photo. Once you've taken the photo, you can see different options on your screen. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen. There you can see the save option with arrow down icon. Now you'll just have to click on it in order to save this photo. Here you can choose to save only in memories or both in camera roll and memories. Here I'm only gonna save it in the memories. It is the same process to save the videos as well. But in order to take a video, you'll have to click in the white circle continuously like I am doing it right now. Again, in order to save it, you'll have to click in the save button. That is how you can save photos and videos on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.